morning, good morning. They want to try to climb up that tree. They want to make a trim because it's covering the solar. And I will see how he will climb up.
Amping kuya, amping.
Di ba ka kasakay? Gamitan itong drone. Di ba ka masakay lagi po? Kasakay ko nga drone.
Here there is some people really are professional climbing the tree. He is there and he will climb. First he will clean so he can climb up.
Pero sapsapan siya dito nang maabot sa ila. Punuan dito pa daw sa ulo. Ano, patay.
Which tree?
Dahil this green.
Here or there?
There.
I cannot see. Going to where?
Wala siya,
Height. So my wife said that there is a big lizard, but I cannot see what is it. And I see the passion fruit. Yeah.
Pero layo pa, kay subok ay kung ano naman kanang bahi. Lagi dahil ng lubi ang lubi ng kung buyag ang lubi. Dili na ako ang dali.
Yung lang super typhoon, brag mabali na ba? Punuan na, di mato na sila ha.
Ato na dyan.
Pulo ka tuyok, ito na mo. Ito sa asok ni Kwan. Ito dyan.
Malayo pa man sa ayo na. Bagay ka man.
They are cleaning so he can climb up.
Pero wala kita sa gabi sa bayan no? Nga, naganana ako, Rock Spring. Buong babaw. Kita, kita. Mulan pa na ito kay Kwan ba ko ng tambal ng bunga. Mulan ba niyang kami gabi, kay ilang lana. Lana lagi, Rock Spring. Ito sa propono, diba?
Walang gas pa sa puno nga. Dagang kay kuan pamahiin.
Kasi ganun.
Halas ka lang.
Naghalas ang Kwan, Rock Spring. Dito. Naglo kay tao na. Kanawag lang, bambira na. Lugar na, nakap sa dia. Wala, cara na pala niya.
Almost
Unsa
done.
nang naadiha? Unsa nang naadiha?
Wala siya mong PR na.
Si diri wala na lugar yuta dira.
Naman, ano ba ito?
Aso magana yuta dira dira.
Nade.
Abi na kog sapa na dira.
Ano mo to sa pagdo mo? To. Ay ka mo isda.
Ano na lang dito sa trabaho dira. Lagi. Ayun na.
Still, he is in the beginning. He will climb up, 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 up. to remove that part, this one, so it will not cover the sun.
Kanang gate ko abili sa daan mo. Dili isarado kay para di mahal na.
Dalawang na tiya. Wala sa ikon.
Kuya start to climb up. And Gawabo. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Hope he can. My wife, she said that rather than the tram, if we can arrive, he can arrive to this one and then cut only like this.
The last one set.
Yeah, where is the... Hi guys, still, you can see that he's still in the beginning. Try to make for a climbing. Where his foot to put it. Yeah, this one. And in the same time to clean what's all the plants around the tree so he can climb up. We will see when he arrives to that point, then we will cut. We will not be changed, rather than to trim, we will cut like this. At least it will not cover the solar. So already half the way.
Di ko sa dani man ang kuan. Kaya bitang nagbot nga. Nagkaali-ali sa imong. Bakit sa kuan ba hawak ana? Ana. Kay maglisod man kapag lakang.
So guys, like what you see, already he is a professional in his work. Climb up little, make cutting the tree to put his foot and then clean. Now he will start to cut to put, this is the place where he will put his foot. Guys, almost he arrived to the point where we want to cut the tree, that one, and we will cut it from here, and almost all this. He climb up from down, he climb up until there.
Di ko alam tanong mo daan dere. Ana ba pares ka? Duha pares sa kuan mo. Ana ay isa.
He come with his wife
Isa dere ana.
and they will
Naog mo kanya.
cut for us this tree and the other tree, this one.
Ana ba lubi ana
At least it will not cover the solar panel, so we can harvest from the sun from early, from 7 o'clock or even 6:30, rather rather than to start today, but there is no sun. It is cloudy. Almost he will arrive. We'll see when he arrives. Guys, he almost arrived. According to him, that he cannot cut it like this because it is danger when full done. So he will try to trim and to make it kalbo.
Adlaw. The sun. Sun.
Guys, he already almost arrived. I changed my position because the sun. Wow. So he start to cut side by side. And the sun is covering. I cannot go outside. I don't know if it is clear or not. Thank you, Ginger.
Ito saan? Ano yun? Okay, kung wait mo kung
Oh my God! Yes, almost. If this one he can remove
yeah.
this.
But need the rope?
Need this?
Yeah. Because so big.
Yeah.
Down the rope. Dia na mapadulong eh.
Yes! Yes! That's it! Oh my God, you are the hero!
Master yung estimate yun.
So guys, thank you for watching. Hope we will still his client. So he trimmed the tree that's covering the sun from the solar panel. Thanks God. Thank you for watching. Hope you like, subscribe. See you again in another video. Good morning again. Koya is going down from the tree after he trim it all. No more leaves. And we will ask him about his feeling when he is up in the sky.
Isa kayong gibati pa sa Asia.
Sabi ka, sanay ka ni
You translate for him, okay? When he come
No,
here.
because already, like, that's his work, like, it's normal.
Yeah, but what he feel that he is the
Pero kasagara, yun sa ingani mo nakaay.
he is the powerful.
But for us, like, oh,
Na nasa ubos ang kurog.
but for us, we are really afraid looking up of
This is Koya, that
the hero.
the hero that we will never forget
Forget.
him.
They climb up.
He's the one who trimmed the tree.
When they're afraid to climb up.
It is very high.
Yung kayo.
You see that my wife is still pregnant. You know, lang, bisan ko di ba kanan na.
And we are waiting the hero to come.
Di kaanad bang kuan.
And this is the hero is coming.
Mataas din, sundan ko. Pero
Sir, what is your feeling? Tell him what is your feeling when you are up.
Uli balik ko yung katong tugas taas.
Wala man.
Ano normal ra?
Normal, wow, hero. This is the famous hero.
You see that hair is like,
Oh, this is normal, of course. You are in the sky. So thank you, sir. Salamat. I appreciate your hard work.
Apelo na ko lang.
Thank you
Kala lang sa nga
for
duha.
watching. Hope subscribe, like, share the video, and we will see you again in another video.